Candidate number 1 is portrays Gun Shooting.
Gun shooting is a combat sport involving use of effectively using various types of guns such as firearms and air guns.
Candidate number 1 boy portrays Gun Shooting. Next in line, candidates number 2. Candidate number 2, girl. Candidate number 2 portrays lawn tennis.
Lawn tennis is a game played with rackets by 2 or 4 players who hit a ball back and forth over a net that divides the court.
Candidate number 2, boy, portrays karate.
Karate is a striking art using punching, kicking, knee and elbow strike, and often handled techniques such as a knife hand.
Let's give our hands together for candidate number 3. Candidate number 3, girl, portrays archery.
Archery is the art, practice, or skill of carrying arrows with the using of bow.
Candidate number 3, boy, portrays motor racing.
Motor racing is a motor sport involving the racing of motorcycles for competition.
Once again, candidate number 3. The floor is yours, candidate number 4. Candidate number 4, girl, portrays surfing.
Surfing is a person's water sport in which the water rider, referred to as a surfer, rides to the forward face of a wave, which is most often carrying the surfer towards the shore.
Candidate number 4, boy, portrays football.
Football refers to a number of sports that involve varying degrees. Kicking a ball with a foot to score a goal.
Once again, candidate number 4. We now have candidate number 5. Candidate number 5, girl. Candidate number 5, girl, 5. Let's give our eyes to candidate number 6. Candidate number 6. Girl, purchase boxing.
Yes. Boxing is a homeless sport in which two people engage in the puzzle of chance to the blessing and endurance. They throw in punches from opponents to draw strength.
Candidate number 6. Purchase boxing. Once again, that's candidate number 6. Let's give our hands to candidate number 7. Candidate number 7, boy only. Purchase long boarding.
Longboarding is the act of riding on a long board of generous path.
Everyone, that's candidate number 7, boy. It's your floor, candidate number 8. Candidate number 8, only girl. Purchase skateboarding.
Skateboarding is an action sport which involves riding and performing tricks using a skateboard.
Everyone, that's candidate number 8, only girl. You are needed. Now, candidate number 9. Candidate number 9, girl, purchase gold.
Golf is a position drawn and ball sport. And the competing players use many parts of glove to hit balls in the field of goal. And a goal scored using the team's number of strokes.
Candidate number 9, boy, purchase scuba diving.
Scuba diving is a form of underwater diving in which a diver uses the scuba tank to breathe underwater.
Everyone, that's candidate number 9. I know you are ready. Candidate number 10. Candidate number 10. Girl, purchase swimming.
Swimming refers to movement stored in the water.
Candidate number 10. Male, purchase judo.
Judo is Japanese archery. It's a modern Japanese martial art.
Everyone but candidate number 10. You are needed now on stage. Number 10. 11, rebel. Candidate number 11, female. For trace.